Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of Milwaukee bandsaw parts. Specifically focusing on the replacement Milwaukee Pulley tires, model 45690010. If you're looking to maintain or upgrade your bandsaw, this product is a game changer. Let's explore why these are considered among the best in the market. These replacement Milwaukee Pulley tires are designed for a range of Milwaukee bandsaw models, including the 6225, 6230, 6232-6, and many more. They're also compatible with certain DeWalt and Porter cable models, which makes them quite versatile for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. First off, these pulley tires are made from high-quality rubber, ensuring durability and longevity.
They measure 6 inches in diameter and have a width of 1/2 inch, perfect for seamless installation and operation. The tires are designed to be stretch-fit, eliminating the need for adhesives and ensuring a tight, secure fit on the wheel. One of the standout benefits is their ease of installation. You simply stretch them onto the wheel, and they grip snugly without slipping, maintaining optimal performance. This not only saves time but also enhances the bandsaw's efficiency and lifespan. Whether you're using a Milwaukee, DeWalt, or Porter cable bandsaw, these tires ensure compatibility across various models. They're specifically crafted to work with 44-7/8 inch blades, making them a perfect fit for a wide range of cutting tasks. These tires have received rave reviews from users, with many praising their durability and ease of use. Customers appreciate that they don't crack easily and provide a reliable grip over the long term. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your bandsaw or replace worn-out parts, the replacement Milwaukee Pulley tires are an excellent choice. They're affordable, durable, and designed to enhance your tool's performance. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, investing in quality parts like these can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other tools you'd like us to review next.